Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is my first ever video and today I'm going to compare AirPods Pro 1 versus AirPod Pro 2. These are the Pro versions. So onto the left is the AirPod Pro 1 and onto the right is the AirPods Pro 2. Looking at the charging port then, the left one, which is AirPods Pro 1, has got a normal Apple Lightning cable, which whatever you call it, that one. Whereas the one on the right hand side, which is AirPods Pro 2, has got the USB Type-C charging port, as you can see at the bottom. So these are the two different ports you can find on these AirPods. At the bottom again, you can find some speakers on the right one, which is AirPods Pro 2, whereas AirPods Pro 1, you don't find them. Hence the reason with my AirPods Pro 1, I normally had an A tag on it, so I could find my AirPods Pro with these A tags. Obviously the AirPods themselves, you can find them individually, but with the case, yes, that's why I used to use those A tags in the past. The front looks similar, and so does the back. So there's not much difference, and that's what it looks like. And from inside, they look pretty much the same. AirPods Pro 1, AirPods Pro 2 on the right. This is how they look from the front, from the top, and from the back. So comparing only the physical side of life, they look pretty much the same. So I'm sorry this video might not be the best, but yeah, this was a simple comparison. I hope this showed something of a difference between AirPods Pro 1 and 2. I'll be pushing out more videos, so subscribe if you want more update on AirPods and other techs. Thank you. Bye.